Here we have a 1990 boat, gel coat, faded. We're going to try to put a shine on this boat. Let's get to work. To get that shine, we're going to try the SM Arnold wool buffing pad on a Harbor Freight Drill Master buffer. We're just going to go with some clean cut rubbing compound for starters. We got some safety gear. I like these because it keeps the wool out of my face and any particles of dust and whatnot that comes off of this stuff, as it is a former poison. Maybe some air protection, get some tunes going, get a hat. Let's lay down the shine. We're gonna go hyperlapse for the shine, so I'm gonna move in quickly. Let's try to see the progress. So I buffed with clean cut rubbing compound a couple of times. And I'd say that it's getting good. It's a cloudy day. It's sort of hard to see the shine. But we had pure chalk. Now we've got some reflection. And we can see the line here. Chalk. Buff. It's pretty, it makes it good when you can see a difference. So what we're going to do next